In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $600 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. B1E Plus 3D Printer. The BIQU 3D printer, originating from mainland China, is a high-performance FDM printer designed for precision printing. It features a maximum print size of 310 by 340 millimeters with a remarkable precision of 0.05 millimeters. The printer operates with a power supply ranging from 100 to 120 volts to 200 to 240 volts at 50-60 Hz and offers a variety of filaments including PLA, PETG, TPE, ABS, and nylon. With a slice thickness of 0.1 to 0.3 millimeters and a printing speed of 60 millimeters per second, maximum printing speed of 120 millimeters per second, the BIQU printer ensures efficient and detailed prints. It comes equipped with auto-leveling capabilities, a heated bed reaching temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius, and a nozzle diameter of 0.4 millimeters, capable of reaching a maximum temperature of 260 degrees Celsius. The printer supports multiple operating systems such as Windows 7 and Windows 10, and interfaces via USB with support for various slicing software including Cura, Repetier Host, and Simplify 3D. Number 2. Twotrees Blue 5 3D Printer. The Twotrees 3D printer, originating from mainland China, is a versatile FDM printer designed for precision printing. It features a maximum print size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters with a precision ranging from 0.2 millimeters. The printer operates with a power supply of 210 volts at 360 watts and supports filaments such as PLA, flexible PLA, wood, and PVA with a consumables diameter of 1.75 millimeters. Offering a slice thickness of 0.1.4 millimeters and a wide printing speed range of 2200 millimeters per second, maximum printing speed of 1000 millimeters per second, the Twotrees printer ensures both detailed and fast prints. It comes equipped with auto-leveling capabilities, a heated bed reaching temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius, and a 0.4 millimeter nozzle diameter. The printer interfaces via SD card and supports slicing software like Repetier Host and Cura, accepting file formats such as STL, OBJ, and JPG. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono 3D Printer. The Guzla 3D printer, originating from mainland China, is a compact and efficient resin printer designed for detailed prints. It features a maximum print size of 200 by 195.84 by 122.4 meters and operates with a power supply of 80 watts at voltages ranging from 110 to 220 volts. The printer offers a printing speed range of 15 to 60 millimeters per hour, maximum printing speed of 60 millimeters per hour, and interfaces via USB. While it does not have auto-leveling capabilities, it features 4-point manual leveling for precise prints. The Guzla printer supports the English language and comes with Anycubic Photon Workshop 3.0 free slicer as its slicing software. It is CE certified, equipped with a 3.5-inch resistive touchscreen control panel, and utilizes Anycubic Light Turbo Matrix light source for optimal printing results. The printer also includes a large film protector with a replaceable design for anti-scratch protection, ensuring longevity and quality in prints. Additionally, it offers a LCD lifespan of 2,000 hours, making it a reliable option for resin printing enthusiasts seeking detailed and accurate results. Number 4. Anycubic Photon D2 3D Printer. The Guzla Photon D2 3D printer, originating from mainland China, is a DLP resin printer designed for high-speed and detailed printing. It does not have auto-leveling capabilities, but offers a maximum printing speed of 2.5 seconds per layer. The printer supports the English language and operates with a power supply of 110 to 220 volts. It does not require consumables with a file format compatibility of all and interfaces via USB. The Guzla Photon D2 is CE certified and utilizes Anycubic Photon Workshop as its slicing software. With DLP molding technology, this printer is capable of producing high-quality prints with precision. It is a reliable option for resin printing enthusiasts looking for fast and accurate results in their 3D prints. Number 5. ZONESTAR 3D Printer. The ZONESTAR 3D printer from mainland China is a versatile FDM printer that offers high precision and a large maximum print size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. It features auto-leveling capabilities and supports multiple languages, including English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Russian. The printer operates with a power supply of 360-watt DC 24-volt and has a maximum printing speed of 120 mm, with a color print speed range of 20 to 120 mm per second. It is compatible with various filaments such as PA, ABS, PTG, and more, with a consumables diameter of 1.75 mm. The ZONESTAR printer uses slice software like Prusa Slicer and Cura, supporting file formats including G-code, STL, OBJ, AMF, and others. It offers a slice thickness range of 0.05 or 0.36 millimeters and a precision of 0.01 millimeters, ensuring detailed and accurate prints. The printer's operating system compatibility includes Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it interfaces via SD card. With a nozzle diameter of 0.4 millimeters, maximum working speed of 120, and maximum temperatures of 260 bar for diameter and 115 dose for bed, the ZONESTAR printer is a reliable and efficient option for 3D printing enthusiasts. It is CE certified, providing assurance of quality and safety standards in its manufacturing process.